Hey CIS-102, this is Jenny Kunkel, and this week we're going to be covering Word Unit 1. We'll be looking at how we can create and modify a flyer. We're going to get into what is Word. We'll look at how we can start Word, how we can enter text into a document in Word, how we can format paragraphs and characters, how we can insert and format pictures in a Word document, looking at how we can enhance our page, and then how to correct errors and revise our documents that we create. We are then going to look at Module 5, which is Software and Apps, and this is going to essentially look at how to use apps as part of our daily life, and then take a look at the common features of productivity and graphics applications. Our first productivity suite that we'll be using is our Office suite, and we get that first introduction with our first product, which is Word. We'll have other products that we use in coming weeks, but we need to start somewhere. Next week, we'll be continuing on with our journey in Word, picking up new features more in the research paper realm. If we look at the assignments that we have scheduled for this week, we have a number of readings, a video, the skills, review, simulation, and exam for our Module 5, Software and Apps. Then we have our reading, training, exam, and then our first project with Word as part of that Office suite. Now, if we scroll all the way up to the top, you'll notice that we have a new item that has been added to our resources list, and this is Microsoft Office 365. As a student, you are able to install the Office 365 Pro Plus product onto your computers and use it while a student here. You can also use the online version of Word as we go through the Word information that's in the lecture material this week. Stephanie Washer actually steps through in video using both products so you can kind of see what it looks like when it's installed, where you have more features that are available that you can use versus the features that are available when you are using the cloud instance. So she'll walk you through that. In order to access the free Office version that's available for students, you can click on this link, which will take you to the Technology Services page on the Rock Valley website. If you scroll down, you will be able to access the Office 365 portal from the Get Microsoft Office, How to Get Microsoft Office link here. Once you get into it, you'll need to use your student ID. Before you would actually try to download anything, you would want to make sure that you are using your student ID. The easiest way to do that is to go up into the corner, and you can see I have my picture there. If I get my mouse over there, it's going to show you the account that you're logged into. If you're not seeing a Rock Valley College account there, you need to sign out and retry the practice. If you have some other account that you're attached to that is an Office 365, whether it's a work one on your local computer, if you try to download and install Office, you will fail with a license issue. If you want to download it, you'll have to wait a little bit for the page to load. It's pretty slow to get this little button to show up. You can essentially click this. You can click on the Microsoft 365 apps. Once you do that, it's going to download something to your computer. Once you have it downloaded, you can see that it popped up here. I have this here. I can open it and run it, or I can open the folder location. I usually try to do the folder location. Once I have the folder location, then I can go ahead and open it from there. So that's how we would essentially install Word on our local computer. This is not going to work for Chrome OS, so if you have a Chromebook, you can't really install it. You would have to use the web version. The web version is accessible here. You can see that I can come in and create a new document. Once I create that new document, I'm pretty much where we see the toolbars and stuff from walking through some of the skills training. Hopefully this provides you a good overview and you have the resources you need to get started. If I have time later in the week, I'll go through like an intro on how we can download and get started with our project. That will probably be Tuesday before I can record anything on that. But I will post that also to the lecture material, and then I will then send out an announcement concerning that.